Hello everyone, welcome to DBSK Intermediate College. Today we will learn next part of your lesson, the portrait of a lady in this video. So let's start. As you know, the writer Khushwant Singh lived in a village with his grandmother, and his parents left him in the village with his grandmother and went to city to live there. As you know, the story, the portrait of a lady, it gives a real pic of grandparents' attention and love to his grandson, or we can say this story is a real account to give all attention and love to his grandson. In this way, in the next para of your syllabus, the portrait of a lady, the writer Khushwant Singh says that she had always been short, but before it, I have told you. Today we will discuss from she had always to contentment. कहने का तात्पर्य है यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक हमें इस वीडियो में पढ़ना है. So let's start. She had always been short and fat and slightly bent. Her face was a cross of wrinkles running from everywhere to everywhere. No, we are certain she had always been, as we had known her, old, so terribly old that she could not have grown older and had stayed at the same age for 20 years. She could never have been pretty, but she was always beautiful. She hovered about the house in spotless white, with one hand resting on her waist to balance her stoop and the other telling the beads of her rosary. Her silver locks were scattered untidily over her pale, peaked face, and her lips constantly moved in inaudibly prayer. Yes, she was beautiful, but she was like the winter landscape in the mountains, an expanse of pure white serenity, breathing peace and contentment. In these para, the writer Khushwant Singh says that she had always been short and fat and slightly. His grandmother was fat, slightly and short. Here the poet describes about the physical structure of his grandmother, how she looked like. So we can say, in other words, she had always been short and fat and slightly. His grandmother was fat, short and slightly. Her face was a cross of wrinkles running from everywhere to everywhere. Her face was full of cross with wrinkles from one place to another place, or we can say his whole mouth, his whole face have wrinkles everywhere. You know, the writer Khushwant Singh describes about his grandmother's physical figure, how she looks like, अर्थात उनकी दादी माँ कैसी दिखती थी. She had always been short and fat and slightly bent. She always bent. As you know, someone in old age, she became bent. So his grandmother was also bent. In this way, he further says that her face was cross of wrinkles running from everywhere to everywhere. Or the face of his grandmother was full wrinkles everywhere, or we can say total area of the face of his grandmother was full of wrinkles from one place to another place. Now we are certain she had always been, as we had known her. Now we are certain, here the writer was going to tell us, now we are certain she had always been, as we had known her. My grandmother had always been, as we had known her. As the writer had known her, she had always been. She was old, so terribly old, or we can say she had stayed at one point of the age from last 20 years the writer had seen his grandmother. so terribly old that she could not have grown older and had stayed at the same age for 20 years. Here the writer Khushwant Singh mentioned about this. His grandmother had stayed at the same age last 20 years the writer had seen, or we can say since 20 years the writer had seen his grandmother no change in her physical, or we can say now the writer became 20 years old and from his childhood he saw his grandmother in the same condition of physical, and in this way he further says that she could never have been pretty but she always beautiful. Here the writer clears about the behavior of his grandmother. His grandmother was always beautiful in physical structure, but she was not beautiful in behavior. His behavior was rude, but his physical structure was so beautiful, according to the writer. She hoved about the house in spotless white with one hand resting on her waist to balance her stoop and the other telling the beads of her rosary. It means that balancing or to keep the balance of her body, his grandmother put his hand on the back to keep the balance of body, and during this activity he could not stop to pray the God. As you see, as old man put their hand and their back. Here he mentioned that the other telling the beads of her rosary. In one hand she could continue telling rosary, अर्थात एक हाथ में वो माला लेकर हमेशा जपा करती थी. She had always telling the beads of rosary during this activity, or to keep the balance of her body she put his hand on his back and she do not stop to beat the rosary. Her silver locks were scattered untidily over her pale peaked face and her lips constantly moved in unaudible prayer. Unaudible prayer. Her silver locks, we can say her white hair were always scattered on her yellow-like face. Her silver locks were scattered untidily over her pale, peaked face, and her lips constantly moved in unaudible prayer. In unaudible prayer. Here the writer says that this her silver locks locks का मतलब होता है चोटी, or we can say her untied white hair were scattered on her shady face, and her lips constantly moved in unaudible prayer, and the prayer of the God is continued by her mouth in unaudible prayer. कहने का तात्पर्य वह ईश्वर के भजन हमेशा गुनगुनाया करती थी. Yes, she was beautiful. Yes, here the writer means to say that she was beautiful. There is no doubt she was beautiful in physically. She was like the winter landscape in the mountains. She was like the winter landscape in the mountains. लैंडस्केप का मतलब होता है पहाड़ी भूदृश्य. सी वाज लाइक द विंटर लैंडस्केप इन द माउंटेन्स. वह इस तरह से प्रतीत होती थी जैसे पहाड़ी भूदृश्य थी, जैसे उसकी दादी माँ किसी पहाड़ी भूदृश्य थी, इस तरह से प्रतीत होती थी जैसे पहाड़ी भूदृश्य स्वच्छ शांत फैला हुआ क्षेत्र होता है. एन एक्सपेंस ऑफ प्योर वाइड सेरेनिटी ब्रीथिंग पीस एंड कंटेंटमेंट. जैसे एक पहाड़ी क्षेत्र शांत सुकून और संतोष का वातावरण रखता है. एज यू नो द हिल एरिया हैज द पीसफुल या satisfaction and peaceful breathing etc. She was beautiful. She was like the winter landscape in the mountains, an expense of pure wide serenity, breathing peace and contentment. She was beautiful. There is no doubt she was beautiful. She was beautiful, but in physically, not in behavior. The writer was not satisfied with the behavior of his grandmother. She was like the winter landscape in the mountains. His grandmother was like the winter landscape of the mountain. जिस तरह से माउंटेन्स का लैंडस्केप होता है, विंटर लैंडस्केप, जैसे एक पहाड़ी पर एक भूदृश्य, एक धुंधला सपन, एक कुहासा सा दिखता है पहाड़ी पर, उसी तरह उसकी दादी का नेचर था, स्वभाव था। एन एक्सपेंस ऑफ प्योर वाइड सेरेनिटी, जैसे एक पहाड़ी के भूदृश्य में शांत, स्वच्छ, संतोष का वातावरण होता है, उस तरह से उसकी दादी का मिजाज था। तो इन दिस वे these lines has been over for this video. If this video is valuable for you, so please subscribe DBSK YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. It is enough for today.